shofar, a little tzedakah, a lot of tzedakah. Do it together, and let me wish you Mazel Tov, Mazel Tov, Mazel Tov. Now you wonder what's the Mazel Tov? So this is the season where a lot of weddings take place. And the song of Anile, Doidi v'Doidi Li. In fact, Sephardic custom have it that many write it on top of the ketubah. They write Anile, Doidi v'Doidi Li. I am to my beloved is to me, which, as we have spoken lately, is the Rosh Tevis, is the abbreviation of the month of Elul. Elul, indeed, is the month of strengthening our relationship, our marriage with God. So, Mazel Tov. But let's go back. How did we ever get married? What was the wedding ceremony? How did this wedding take place? So we learn in the parsha of last week, actually, the pasuk says, Ki yikach ish isha u'bo'ala. If a man takes a wife and is intimate with her, v'yatza mebeisa, and it happens that she does not find favor in his eyes because he discovers in her unseemly moral matter. V'yatza mebeisa, she left, she went out from his house, she kind of deviated from that relationship. V'holcha v'hoisa li'ish acher, and she got involved with someone else. So the Torah says that he will then write for her a bill of divorce, places it in her hand, and she's divorced. So says the Sifri, which is part of the Talmud, says from this verse we learn there are three ways how one could marry a wife, a woman. Mishnah says, kesef, through money, shtar, a contract, ubia, and by being intimate with her. And this we learn from this verse. And that's what it says. Ki yikach. If a man will take, yikach is also from the word acquiring. Usually this refers to acquiring something with a monetary exchange, with money, or with something which is worth money, as custom has it, a ring. Then the Torah says, u'bo'alo, and he will be intimate with her. Here we see, Torah indicates that it's possible. One could marry his wife, one could accomplish the kedushin, the marriage, the betrothal by being intimate. And then the pasuk says, but if he's not happy, there has been some immoral activity, then it says, v'yatza v'haisa. V'yatza, and she will leave. V'haisa, she will be. So the Sifri deducts from this that just like the way she leaves him, the same way she enters with him. Just like he divorces her, he can also marry her. How does one divorce her? Torah says clearly, he has to write for her a divorce, a bill of divorce. So this is where we learn these three concepts. Kesef, shtar, ubia. He can marry a woman by giving her coin, a ring, value of money, contract, and also third way is by being intimate. Now when we're talking about our relationship with God, we also have these three concepts. Kesef, which means money, but kesef also has the translation of yearning. Nichsoif nichsafti. The love, the yearning that we have for each other. In other words, this is the time that we have to strengthen in our love for God and our love and yearning for Hashem. Shtar, contract. What's the contract that we have with God? The contract is obvious. The Torah is our contract with God. That's a contract that God gave us, and we accept it and we follow it. So that's the shtar. That's this contract that we again have to check. Are we following all the details? Are we really applying all the clauses of this contract? Yes, it's a lengthy contract, 613, but we have to grow into it. Just like in any relationship, things grow. And then finally, bibia, intimacy. Intimacy is the moment of prayer, as we have spoken about last week. So this is how we strengthen our relationship with God, by yearning for Him, by applying the details, the clauses of the contract, and by prayer where we feel a strongly intimate relationship. And this way, we need a home. And the home is the Beis Hamikdash, and may we merit it today.